Silver, Enzo S. Salamat of PKN Gojorio, Goa. And Mel Andre Evangelista of PKL Sulay Sorsogon got the gold medal.
Yeah.
Wala mo lang palakpakan dyan.
Yay!
Enzo Salamat Aka versus Mel Andre Evangelista Au. Enzo Salamat Aka versus Mel Andre Evangelista Au. Please prepare Eugenie Scarlett and Salamat Aka. Margong Salazar Au.
Bawal siyang pa yung player niya.
Enzo Salamat, please step forward. Marian, please raise your hand. Marian. Marian Lopez. Judge number 1, 6.3. Judge number 2, 6.2. Judge number 3, 6.4. Judge number 4, 6.2. Chief Judge, 6.4. Mel Andre Evangelista, please step forward. Judge number 1, 6.6. Judge number 2, 6.8. Judge number 3, 6.6. Judge number 4, 6.5. Chief Judge, 6.5.
Well done! Good boy talaga. Ang taas. Yeah!
Prepare Eugenie Scarlett Salamat Aka.
Suds! Taas.
Louis Cata, 8 to 9 years old. Enzo Jason and Enzo
Congratulations Mel Andre for winning a gold medal for 8 to 9 years old category for ACA competition. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel Raquel in Sorsogon for more upcoming videos. See you again next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.